So our 4600 car is it's a 93 Grand Cherokee. Like I said before, we raced this for 5 years, 5 seasons. It's still holding strong. Well, this year we got a new stroker motor in it, and unfortunately we're had some issues with it. So pulled the motor last night, reinstalled it today, and the same issue. So fortunately we have found a new stroker online, so we're gonna go pick that up tomorrow and slam it in here and see how she runs. Well, the 4600 car, the last couple years we've been running the flex bar up here. As you can see, it's taken a little abuse for cars that decided not to get out of our way with a horn and siren. So I've taken a few bumps and held up great. Also running the KC Highlights Pro 6 bar up top, and it's phenomenal what they put off.